Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Splunk INC, and as you can see in the initial phase the stock has seen lots of volatility, but from the lows of 2016 it has already risen by 600%, which is a decent rise, and probably it's trading at the higher end of the range. So we are going to discuss about the trend and the long term levels which the stock could probably see. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. So first, let me zoom this trend a bit and we'll discuss about the current level or the current scenario in this particular stock. Okay, so what we have here right now, so this is the higher end of the range and this is the lower end of the current trend. Okay, and if you want a mid range, so you have your middle support lies here. So as per this trend, you have your first line of support at $191, then you have your support at $172. Now on the upside you have your target at $226. So unless the stock moves above 226 $227, there will not be a trend or a new trend. Okay, so if the stock moves over $227 and sustain over there, then it will be a start of a new trend. But for the time being, this is your range and this is what you have to comply with. Now when you're talking about a big trend and in a particular stock where you have lots of volatility, so let me just remove these levels a bit. Okay, so one thing you can just go back and check these levels. Okay, now for the long term, though it looks volatile as you can see, but you will find some of the levels which are very clear to understand and where you will find the important trend lines to play with. So here you have the levels and probably this one, and you have this level. Okay, now first of all, this is the most important level which one needs to look at, because this was the low high of 2014 and it's the big resistance at 108, which finally broken. It has tried multiple times, so it broken first in 2018, then 2019 where it was taken support before, and then 2020. So it's a very important resistance at 108, below which the stock falls below 108, then you have your next support at 94, then 91, and probably you have your lower support at $71. Now if you are looking at the uptrend, so you can't call it as a trend because we have only two support lines, so we require at least three, but hypothetically we are considering it as we do not have more data available. And on the upside, okay, on the upside you have your trend line like this. Okay, so this is your trend line which one can see in this particular stock, and this is what you have as your line of support. Okay, and one more thing to understand, this level so this level also works as a support, definitely works as a support here. So now for the long term, what you can see here, that you have your first support at 178, then you have your next support at 148, and you have your big support at 114, and below that I have already explained. On the upside, you have your target or resistance near $230. So as you can see, the stock is near its long-term resistance. If you can call it as a target, then fine, or you can call it as a resistance, then also it's the same thing, but it is near to its long-term resistance. So let the stock, if you want to go long, just stay within the range where it is showing that 230 to 31 is your long term target or resistance. So unless the stock makes a breakout above this line and sustain over there, then only we are going to say that okay, the new trend started and the trend will change accordingly. But if it does not, then probably it will fail down towards the lower end of the range. So that's the thing you need to look at, and it is very important to understand here that where your long-term support and resistance range lies. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.